All right, how's everyone doing? We are going to get started here, maybe a minute early. My sound looks to be good, just gotta check that. If you guys want to see any coins, let me know. Otherwise, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and then we're going to get into JASMY coin. And I know a few more coins listed on Coinbase tomorrow. I'm not super excited about them. I'll probably buy them when they get listed on Coinbase. Another coin I want to talk about is Elon coin, because I got into that around the 20 level. Now it's at I'm up about 20%. All right, so Bitcoin right now is just broke a major resistance and is trying to test at a support. The resistance was $57,000. If we can close a daily candle above it in about 2 minutes, I'll be pretty bullish on it. But really what I would like to do is spend at least 24 hours in a 72-hour period above $57,000. So I would like to spend at least, a whole day trading above it in the next 3 days. If we do that, I'm going to say that 57K is support. And yeah. Because we just got above it a few hours ago, so I don't know if it's going to be support here in about 2 minutes, but it's going to be support if we can spend a day above it trading. So 57K is trying to turn into support right now. Right now, I'm going to say it's still resistance. So we'll see what happens with that. I do think that's going to be turned into support very soon. And then our next major resistance is obviously a little resistance is going to be at 60 grand. But then the next major one I have charted is 63.7. And then after that, it's going to be 65K, which is all-time highs. So that's kind of where I see Bitcoin going. I see it going to 60K probably within the next week or so. And also on the 15-minute chart, the Gonfins are saying we should be going up here. The 1 hour chart is still saying we should be going down. Let me look at the 30-minute chart. 30-minute is also saying we could be going down. But smaller time frames are starting to turn bullish. So I would say Bitcoin probably, we probably consolidate here around 57K. But if we can, break this resistance right now and target 63K and I should say 60K first. Our next target on Bitcoin is 60K if Bitcoin can stay above 57K. So that's where I'd be targeting 60K and then 63K, 63.7 and then 65K, which is all-time highs on Coinbase. So with that being said, let's go over to JASMY coin. JASMY coin is currently at 7.6 cents. I actually got in earlier today in a trade. Like I said, I invested at 5 cents, but in a trade from 7.9 cents, I believe it was. So I'm down a little bit on my money on that. Maybe it was 7.8 cents. Maybe it was 7.8 cents. I don't know exactly. I'd have to check. But I'm in JASMY right now in a trade right now. And it's looking pretty good. Let me zoom out here. The 618, like I said, JASMY is at 7.6 cents. So as long right where we are right now, that's where the 618 is. If we cannot hold that, it's going to get pretty bearish. And your next fib to the downside is at 6.9 cents, which is definitely some strong support there. And I don't see you breaking the 0.5 fib. So I would say the absolute lowest you go if you can't hold this 618 fib at 7.6 cents. The absolute lowest I would see JASMY going in the next 24 hours, and probably even for until the end of this bull run. I don't see JASMY going below 6.9 cents. So because if you do, it's gonna fall off the table. Probably, I don't think the 0.382 fib would hold if it did fall below the 0.5. I would say that your next support below 6.9 cents would be probably back down to 5 cents. I don't think that's gonna happen, but that's doomsday scenario. So that's kind of what I think about JASMY. I think it's pretty bullish. I do think at 10 cents will be hit in the next 7 days. Another coin that I bought was Elon coin. I bought this around 190, 119, if you just want to call it that. It's currently at 22. And I do think right now you're some resistance here at the 0.76. So definitely a small pullback could happen, probably back to where around I got in, back down at 20. And then I think I think this is probably going to 10x easily with all the hype around meme coins and Elon Musk and all that. I think this is probably going to 10x here by the end of this bull run, bare minimum. So that's kind of what I'm looking for on Elon coin. Pretty happy about that play. I'm up 20 or 30% right now. Another coin I want to talk about was Fear coin, because I made a video about it today. I don't know. One of my videos got taken down for who knows why. But it went up down. It made a higher high, which is very bullish for Fear coin, up to $1.44, or maybe it was $1.40. Yeah, $1.44, I believe, was the high today. The high yesterday was $1.40, and the high last week was about $1.25. So it's making higher highs on a bigger time frame, and that's looking bullish to me, in my opinion. The 618 is still at $1.70, so $1.72 actually. So that's probably where that's going to go within the next 7 days. I think Fear coin goes to $1.70 in the next 7 days. We'll see though. First, you got to break the 0.382 fib, which is at $1.30, or maybe that's $1.38. So that's kind of where you've been getting rejected on, at least yesterday and today. So that's why I'm looking for Fear Coin to go in the next 7 days. So that's kind of my rundown of through JASMY, Fear Coin, and Elon Coin, and Bitcoin. So if you guys want to see anything else, let me know. Otherwise, that's all I got. It's going to be a pretty quick stream, if that's the case. All right, I guess that's it. I will see you guys Friday.